Good morning, students. I welcome you all in today's class. My name is Akash Tiwari, and we are continuing the chapter Microorganism, Friend and Foe. This is chapter of class 8, second chapter. In previous chapter, we have seen introduction of the chapter in which we have studied about the microorganism, then its types, virus, protozoa, bacteria, algae, and so on. Various types of microorganisms are present. Then we have seen how do they live. They can survive in any condition. They can survive in any extreme conditions. They can survive in the marshy land. They can survive in the dry area, desert area. They can survive in the temperature where is minus temperature. Very cold climate they can survive. They can survive in desert area where temperature is very high. So they can survive in any condition. So let's see. Let's move further and see that if we have seen in the previous topics that they can survive in any condition. So moving further, let's see. They clean environment by breaking the substances. These are few properties of microorganism that, see, here we are talking about friend and foe. So this microorganism may be a friend or may be a foe. Foe is nothing but the enemy. So they may be a friend or they may be an enemy. They play a role of both the part. They play the role of friend also. They play the role of the enemy also. Okay. So let's see. They clean environment by breaking the substances such as bacteria. This means bacteria helps in cleaning the environment by breaking the substances. You all know when any of the organism dies, then what happens? Microorganism attack on them. And what do? They decompose the body, because of which smell comes. You all might be knowing about it. So, what is important role here? When they feed on the dead and decaying body, what do they do after attacking on that body? They release waste such as nitrogenous waste and help to clean the environment. Okay, because they take the organic matter from that body and provide nitrogenous substances to the environment, which plays an important role in cleaning the environment. Okay, because of this microorganism only, the living organism after death, they get decomposed because of this bacteria or microorganism. Bacteria is used in the preparation of medicines. Of course, here medicines that is nothing but your antibiotics. In your home, when you all might be getting ill, or any of your family member might be getting ill, you might have seen that doctor is giving antibiotics that is made up of either capsule or a tablet. So these bacteria are used in making these antibiotics. This bacteria plays important role in these antibiotics. Okay. In agriculture, microorganisms are used to increase the fertility of soil by fixing nitrogen. Of course, this is your nitrogen cycle. What does the microorganism do? They attack on the body, they decompose the body, they release the nitrogenous waste to the soil, because of which the fertility of the soil gets increased. Okay, so these all are the easy steps by which microorganisms, these are all might be showing that they are good, they are friendly. Okay. Next, they are also used in the making of curd and bread. Of course, you are using here. Of course, that curd and bread they are talking, that is nothing but yeast. Here they are talking about yeast. Yeast is used to convert curd and bread. Of course, milk is converted into curd. This is by using lactobacillus bacteria. Okay, and bread. In bread, how duff, we are adding yeast in the duff so that they get very round shape. Cake, you all might be seeing, cake gets very round shape, bread gets round shape. So they look good, and of course they are very tasty in eating because of this yeast. Okay, so what we are seeing here that these are some of the usefulness of microorganism. Of course there are some bad effects also that we will see in the further topics. So that was all about today. Thank you.